Unikay here. Before I say anything, I know it's been a long time since my last video, but I was at camp and they have a no electronics rule, so I couldn't really videotape anything and I didn't have Wi-Fi to upload it anyway. But today we are going to try to find my foster kitten and introduce him. Yes, my house is a big mess. Always is. Snowball, what are you doing? Oh, lindo. Are you guys camera shy? Oh, okay, cool. They love to wrestle. Especially when Lindo is going nuts. Like, today, he ran down the stairs, he ran down the hall. Whoa, what in the world? He turned around and he just jumped and hissed for no reason. Lindo, you are such a goof. Can you say hi? You want to say hi, Lindo? Oh, is it a big scary camera? Oh, little Lindo, what are you doing? You are so cute. Anyway, that's my foster kitten. Well, our foster kitten, I mean. Mom takes care of him. Anyway, see you well, catch you later. Catchphrase!